Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn by Abbas, your go-to channel for Excel and tech tutorials. Today we are discussing about smart tables in Excel. If you are tired of messy data, boring formatting and spending hours in sorting things manually, then the feature is about to change your Excel game. So grab your coffee, open Excel and let's get started. So first we are going to discuss about what is a smart table. A smart table is a structured way to manage your data. When you convert a normal range into a table, Excel adds intelligence to it, which will going to do automatic filtering, sorting, formatting and easy formula use for you. So to turn a range into a smart table, you have to select a range and then pressing a Ctrl T, a shortcut key, to convert the data into a smart table. Let's do the practice. So I have the data available in my Excel file, the region, the representatives, the item, the unit and the unit cost. This is a normal table or a normal range of data. First, I am going to convert this data to a smart table. I am going to select my data. Okay, then I am going to pressing Ctrl T and a pop-up menu has been opened. The range of your data has already pre-selected and you have to tick the table has header if your table has the header. Let's say in my data I have a header, so I am just going to check it and pressing it OK. So you can see that now my table has been converted to a smart table. Now I am going to rename my table to a scale, and additionally I am going to change the design. Furthermore, I am going to create one slicer for my smart table. Going to the table design, going to the insert slicer, select the filter option or the slicer option which you want to create about. I am just going to create a slicer for the regions and pressing the OK button. Here you can see that all the common field has been come to my slicer region option. I am just going to change the column and just going to resize it to fix it with my design. Okay, I am just placing it down here and going to redesign with the orange color. If I am going to select the central option, it's just going to show me the result of central. Okay, if I just want to get the result of east, it will going to show me the result of east. If I want to remove the filter, I just click here and it will going to show me the whole result. Furthermore, if I want to calculate the total, let's say the units are 95 and each unit cost 1.99. So just I am going to multiply the both of them and you will see the magic here. I just placed the formula in one field and it automatically created a new column with the total. I am just going to rename it with the total. If I just want to create a new row, I will just enter the name in one cell and then pressing the enter, it will create a new row automatically. So you can understand that how smart it is and why it's known as a smart table. If I just going to input the units and input the amount, you can see it is going to calculate automatically. These are the most benefits of the smart table. Furthermore, you can going to the table design, you can just going to open a row of total row which will show you the total, the grand total. Okay, additionally, if you want to bold this one and bold this one, so you have to not need to press Ctrl B or not need to go to home tab and press bold. You just have to come to table design and press the first column, press the last column. Additionally, you can bend and unbend the rows also. If you like this video, let me know in the comment. Please share this video with your friends and professionals and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.